Hey guys, welcome to Tenorshare. Forgot your iPhone 17 passcode? Or is your iPhone unavailable because you can't remember the password? Don't worry. A few simple steps will allow you to re-access your device. In this video, we'll share 3 effective methods to unlock your iPhone 17. Find out which method works best for you. Method 1. Use Forgot Passcode option. If your iPhone shows iPhone unavailable, you may notice a new option, Forgot Passcode. This feature works only if your device meets certain conditions. The very first time the iPhone unavailable screen appears, you'll see the option at the bottom. Tap it, and your iPhone will prompt you that this will erase your device. This action will delete all data, including the iPhone password. Then, enter your Apple ID password to sign out of the device. Once your iPhone is reset, you can set it up as a new device or restore data from a backup. Note, resetting the iPhone will result in data loss. So if you haven't backed up your data, you'll need to forgo it. Method 2. Unlock iPhone using a computer. If your device doesn't meet the requirements for Method 1, you can try unlocking your iPhone using a computer. I'll use Tenorshare 4 UK for this iPhone unlocking process. After connecting your iPhone to the computer, launch 4 UK. Select Unlock iOS screen to begin the unlocking process. 4 UK will guide you through the steps to enter recovery mode. I need to press the volume up button, then the volume down button, and finally press and hold the power button. Wait for your iPhone to restart and enter recovery mode. Then, 4 UK will match the latest iOS firmware for your iPhone. Click the download to proceed. Once the firmware is downloaded, click Start to remove. This process will take about 10 minutes. You can take a break and return to see your iPhone reset. Next, proceed with the iPhone setup. Complete the setup. Note, if you encounter the activation lock screen, use your Apple ID to verify and activate it. Once done, your iPhone 17 will be as good as new. This method is perfect for beginners and more stable than using iTunes. Method 3. Use iCloud to erase iPhone. If you have Find My iPhone enabled and your device is connected to the internet, you can erase the device remotely via iCloud to remove the passcode. Visit iCloud.com/find in your browser. Sign in with your Apple ID. On the left side of the device column, you'll see your forgotten password iPhone. Select it, and you'll see the Erase this device option. Using this option will remotely erase your iPhone, including the lock screen password. Once the process is complete, you can set your iPhone up as a new device or restore data via iCloud. That's it, the 3 fast methods to unlock your iPhone. If this video helped you, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, so more people can see these useful tips. Feel free to share your questions or successful unlocking experiences in the comments, helping others. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.